Okay, this next video, I'm going to show you how to create a news item on the website. Here we have this recent news on the website. Right now, this says outing dates filling up fast. Well, we're going to add some more of these. So we are going to go into the website. I have so many tabs open. It's ridiculous. And I'm getting lost here. Okay, so we're going into the website. You know how to log into the website. Arrowhead, golfarrowheadnow.com/administrator, golfmorrisonlake.com/administrator. Once you do that, go to Content, Articles, New. We could have probably saved a step there just by going Content, Add New, but this is the tried and true method. This is going to be for the Spring Big Hole Classic. All right, so that's the title. And really down here, I can just kind of cut and paste what I want it to say. It's like once you get most of it done, then you're good to go. Hit copy, paste that in there. So there's that. I always like to have this. Sign up now. Okay, now I want them to be able to click on that. If you hit this, insert edit link. Okay, I'm going to come over here. This is where you go to register. I'm going to copy that link and I'm going to paste it in there and click insert. Sign up now. I'm going to make this stand out a little bit, give it a little more font size, just like that. Now, very important, this is going to go, what kind of category is this? Is it a main article? No, it is homepage news. I click that, and I hit save. Now I go to publishing. I want this to start publishing. Let's start it today, January 21st. And then I want it to publish until the date of it is April 28th, which is right here. So I'm going to have it publish until that Friday. Okay. I could hit today. Here's the time, 10:30 on April 26th. Okay. So that's good. In the meta description, we'll paste what we had before. That information here for the big hole. This helps the search engines pick this information up. Okay, so then paste this in here. Boom. Always put golf outing in here. Grand Rapids, MI. Okay, always put that in. Hit save. Come over here. Go down here. Outing dates filling up fast. You see there's another dot here. There it is. There it is. Does that work? Yes, it does. That is a thing of beauty. And now you know how to do it.